Is it trying it? Is it trying it? Is it trying it? Or is it trying it? Is it trying it? Whoa, Fatima, calm yourself, girl. Slow down. Say hello first. Hello first. Is it trying it? Is it trying it? Is it trying it? Whoa, girl. Calm yourself. I'm excited. Well, it's time. Oh, goody! Welcome to our 150 subscriber appreciation giveaway. I am so excited! For this giveaway, we are having 2 winners. And I made the boxes as similar and as equal as possible, but there are going to be some differences between the 2 boxes. I will pop in a picture of the boxes and the goodies. The boxes contain a brush, facial cleanser, soap, earrings, lipstick, lip gloss, blush, toe separator for pedicures, lotion, face cream, primer, eyeshadow, makeup bag, facial sheet mask, shower gel, mascara, and eyeliner. What we're looking for is a comment below. The comment can say whatever you want it to say. It also needs to answer a question for us. Yes, we have a question this time. These are the little girl size press-on nails. The question is, can you put these to use? Do you have kids, grandkids, niece, a neighbor? Can you put these to use, yes or no? If you say no, you are still entered in the giveaway. It's just the child that I was hoping to share these with, her family, they lived next door and unexpectedly moved away. So I'm trying to find a good home for these. So the question is, yes or no, can you use them or pass them on to someone else? And like I said, if you say no, you're still entered in my giveaway. I'm just trying to find these things a good home because that was part of the agreement that I made with Pink Sugar Box when they sent me an extra girls box. I am tired from all the excitement. I am going to take a quick nap and let Anne tell you about the specific details that you need to know regarding the giveaway. Good luck, everyone! Okay, Fatima, you go have yourself a nice nap. We'll catch you later. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, so here we go with the nitty-gritty and lovely details. This is my 150 count subscriber appreciation giveaway. It will run from noon Pacific time, Monday, April 3rd, 2023, until noon Pacific time, Wednesday, April 12th, 2023. There will be 2 winners. The winners will be announced in a separate video on this channel after April 12th. The winners will then have 3 days to respond with a mailing address. Any winner that does not respond in that given time frame will forfeit, and a replacement winner will be chosen. I will be using a comment picker to determine the winners. The email to respond, or you can respond via Instagram private message. That is all linked down in the description box for this video and will also be linked in the description box with the 2 names of the winners. You must be subscribed to my channel and leave a comment on this specific video. The comment must answer the question that we asked previously in the video. You must be 18 years of age and live in the U.S. or have a U.S. mailing address to qualify to win from my channel. You must live in a state that allows you to participate in giveaways. It is the winner's responsibility to know what their state allows. Any giveaway that I provide to my subscribers is not associated or endorsed by YouTube, Instagram, or any other social media platform. Giveaway is not associated or endorsed by the brands provided in the giveaway. I am not responsible for any allergic reactions to products. That is the winner's responsibility to patch test items prior to use. I am not responsible for lost or damaged packages, items provided in the giveaway. It is responsibility of the giveaway winners to provide correct and current shipping address when they initially respond to the fact that they are happy to be a winner. I will never ask a winner, or any subscriber for that matter, to provide me with money or with personal information other than name and shipping address if they should happen to win a giveaway. And I'm not associated with any Telegram or Snapgram or whatever they're calling themselves these days. I'm not associated with any third-party group that might contact you trying to impersonate me, and they would be asking for money or personal information, or heaven knows what they ask for now. So please be aware of these types of scammers. I can't talk. Oh well. I think I'm excited too. But please be aware that there are unscrupulous people out there that are trying to get names and money and information. That is not what this channel is about. Don't give out any information. If you're having a question about something, then send me an email or a private message on Instagram. What else is there? By entering this giveaway, you attest that you meet and agree with all the requirements that I have just outlined and described. So, good luck, everyone. And I need to go wake up the camel because we have more videos to record today. Do I turn this thing off? Where's the button?